Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to change a 3-wrap aquamarine bracelet into 3 single wrap bracelets. This kind of color is purely natural and very rare, so it's expensive. I originally planned to make a necklace with this beautiful piece, but then I thought the price will be high, not affordable, so it would be better to change it into 3 bracelets. And since this 3-wrap bracelet only fits a 6 inches resize, so I will use the magnetic lock to make it fit a 6.5 inches. By the way, some customers ask me if I have such aquamarine bracelets for sale. In fact, there are many such products in the factories, but I never sell them myself. The raw aquamarine stones are mined in Mozambique. In order to satisfy most customers' demand for the very blue and very good clarity aquamarine, the chemical pickling has been used to clean the impurities inside the aquamarine before making the beads. And then blue glue is added, so that such pretty bracelets or charms appear to everyone. The reason why I don't sell those aquamarine is very simple. That kind of aquamarine has lost its healing energy and it's also expensive. I personally think it's not worth spending such money to buy such a crystal. All right, let's get back to our DIY project. All we need today is aquamarine and 0.8 mm sky blue braided cord, and of course, magnetic lock. The locks we sell come in 2 different sizes. One is 9 by 4 mm, and then the larger one is 12 by 5 mm. Since the aquamarine beads are about 6.8 mm, so I will use a larger lock to match. 3 bracelets, 3 locks, and 3 cords, and the wrist gauge to measure 6.5 inches resize. Burn the cord to make the needle. Okay, super strong magnetic lock. Okay. Insert one side and then start to thread the beads. And some beads have the sparkling effect. It's very pretty. I'll try to pick the same color and a similar bead size to match one bracelet first. So pretty. Let's make the second one. Let's choose some larger beads to make the second one. Make the third one. Okay, I'm not sure if you still remember how to make the closure. Tie a knot, cut, and burn. And this side. Tie a knot. And then hold it tight. And then cut. Burn. Okay. 3 bracelets are done. So beautiful and easy to wear. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.